Hello everybody, so today I will show you some basic integration in here. There are three types of integrals, so I will show you all of them. The first one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we have u equal cosine x, du equal to negative sine x dx. Because we do first the derivative of cosine x, you will go about negative sine x. In here, we don't have the negative, so we multiply both sides with negative number 1. Sine x dx, we change for du. Cosine x square, we change for u. And we put negative in here. And we get the final answer, that is about 1 over u plus c. And about u, we need to change back to cosine x. The second one, in here we have x to the power of 3, we divide by x, and x to the power of 2 divided by x, and you will get about x squared minus x dx. And in here we got about x to the power of 3 over 3 minus x to the power of 2 over 2, and we have c is about constant. And the last one, we have the square root of x, we change to x to the power of 1 over 2. In this situation, we can change to x to the power of negative 1 over 2. And we can get the final answer. The integral of x to the power of 1 over 2, you will go about 1 over 2 plus 1. And negative 1 over 2, we put about 1. In this one, you will get about 3 over 2. This one we change to 3 over 2. This one you got about 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. And here is about the answer on the basic integral. That's the end. Thank you for watching.